So the US Post Office is giving us a price increase on media mail, and I'm going to go over it for you guys right now. Wow. Hey guys, it's Steve from Resale Dojo, where we grow our reselling businesses together. Now today I'm going to be going over the price increase that the US Post Office has given us on media mail on August 29th, 2021. Now the reason why I'm going over this is because I know a ton of you guys follow me for DVDs, and the primary method of shipping DVDs is media mail here in the US. So the rate increase is going in effect on August 29th, 2021, and it's going to be for around 10.9% across the board for all media mail. And for your DVD shipments, which are normally under £1, the price is going to change from $2.89 per shipment to $3.19 per shipment, which is 30 cents increase.
2 + 2 is 4, -1, that's 3, quick maths.
And you're probably asking yourself, what should I be doing to my eBay listings because of this price increase? And my recommendation is nothing. Now let me quickly break this down for you. If you have calculated shipping on your listings, eBay is going to update that for you. So anything that's going to a new rate, eBay is going to calculate that and change that within your listing. Now for people like me who offer free shipping on all media mail listings, I am also recommending that you do not touch them at all. And my main reasoning for this is that it's actually going to cost you more than 30 cents in time to go back into each listing and do an update on those. Now let's do a little math on this. If you update 100 listings, you're going to be saving yourself $30 in the long run. So instead of updating those 100 listings, you could take that time and be listing way more new items with your updated pricing strategy and be selling more and more stuff in your store. And that's what I would rather do. I'd rather put more listings in my store than going back and adjusting for 30 cents on 100 listings. But ultimately, it's your store, it's your time. You guys get to do what you want to do for each of your listings, but that is just my recommendation. If you like news videos like this, make sure to leave a thumbs up on the way out. If you want to see more videos from me, make sure you check one of the two that YouTube is going to recommend right there. And as always, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.